This is my opportunity. I can share with you how to find the shortcut to Vizzle, and if you want a quick lesson to be able to use with students, you're going to be able to access my web page on Vizzle and then figure out how to find a lesson to share with them. So here we go. You're going to move the cursor onto the desktop, and you're looking for this orange V for Vizzle, and that would be the shortcut. And you're going to left double click, and it will take you right away to the web launching site. We're always sticking with the orange, the web launch, left double click, and usually Vizzle has this updating, so you just have to wait for probably 5 seconds if we were to count, as it's updating and loading the page for us on Vizzle. Once that's updated and loaded, it's going to come to the page that has my actual login access code. And I have this set to remember so that you will be able to, I did on my other computer have it loaded that you'll be able to remember me. Unfortunately, I'm having to borrow Mary Cilio's. So basically it's my same login and then the code that we all have grown to know. Let me make sure I type that in correctly. So you guys know my login, and I'm pretty sure it'll let me go for it. So you're going to log in. Let's see. Let me try again. I think it's got to be dojenin
I haven't put my minutes in yet.
at jeffco. That's right. .k12.co.us. Now let's see if it'll let me go. It looks like it's working, loading me as my user, and it comes now to the main Vizzle page. And you have 4 options. You have a share, a teach, create, and report. And of course, when you want a really quick lesson, what we're worried about is the share one. And again, we're just sticking with the orange theme. So let's say today I want to have the kids be able to look at something about St. Patrick's Day. Take your cursor, move it into the white bar, and hit left click, and then type in whatever topic you're trying to find. So we're going to do St. Patrick's Day. Hit search, so move your cursor back over and left click on search, and it comes up right away with quite a few different ideas about St. Patrick's Day. So if I wanted to have them discriminate and do some matching, I move that cursor over and I left click again. And at this point, I want to preview lessons only. We're really not worried about doing anything else, but just doing a practice. So I've got St. Patrick's Day discrimination. I'm going to go up to preview, move my cursor there, and again, left click. It's going to load the game, and it'll come to the game page. And the game page shows you all the possible questions and answers. We're going to go back on up to play. We're going to left click. And at this point, it's asking, are you going to do it to a student, with a student, or an unassigned? And we're always, if we're in preview, we're going to do unassigned, so leave that alone. Cursor down to OK, left click, and guess what? We're into our game and ready to play with the guys. So that's an easy way, I hope, for you to be able to find a quick lesson out of Vizzle if you need something for filler using my laptop, my access code, and Go Vizzle.